Here we have a Lexus NX450h Plus. Now, we've protected this vehicle with a Ghost Immobiliser. Reason for that, as most modern cars are, completely keyless, and this is no different. And with the number of thefts of Lexus and Toyota cars at the moment, any sort of additional security is probably a really good idea. And for whatever reason, nationally, these cars are being targeted. Back in the old days, Lexus weren't really stolen, or Toyota weren't really target cars, but that's all changed now, and these are heavily targeted. So any form of security is a must. I can't emphasise that enough, really. In this particular vehicle, what we've gone with a Ghost, and what that means is that you don't actually carry any tags with you, so there's nothing to carry in your keys, but you're not going to be able to drive the vehicle away. So you have to enter a unique code, and by entering that unique code, you then be able to drive it as you normally would do. So you jump into the vehicle as you normally would do. There's nothing different. The only thing is you just can't start it up and drive off. So I just want to show you this. So I've got my foot on the brake, I'm going to start it. Being a hybrid car, you're not going to hear any engine noise. And now I'm going to try to put it into gear, and nothing happens. It won't let me do anything, it's just locked. So what I'm going to have to do is enter the code. So I turn the ignition on, enter the code, wait for the two flashes, and now foot on the brake and I can start it. And now it starts. So obviously you can't hear it because it's a hybrid. So if I now put it into reverse, it's going into reverse. If I go into drive, it'll go into drive. And it's as simple as that. As a customer, they could change the code. We set something very simple, so we could demonstrate to the customer, and then basically what we do, we show the customer how to change the code. And then you could go home and then change the code to whatever you want to do. The Ghost Immobiliser works with a lot of modern vehicles, but not every vehicle. I wouldn't say it's suitable for every single vehicle out there. If you do not have a Lexus or Toyota, and there's another brand of car that you have, and you do want a Ghost Immobiliser, give us a call, and basically we'll give you advice if that's a suitable immobiliser for that particular vehicle that you may have. This is a Lexus NX450h Plus, and we fitted the Ghost Immobiliser.